Show y'all today how to create your color swatch in order to do your connotative words using synonyms. So you'll be in your drive and then you go to new, and as you go down to more, you can use Google Drawings. You could even use Google Slides, whatever you're more comfortable with. So I'm going to click on Google Drawings. Then when you look up here on the insert tool, it gives you the word table. Well, we know we're supposed to have at least 4 different colors. So I'm just going to click on the 4 and it gives me a table. And I'm going to make this a lot wider, so it takes up more of the page, or I guess elongating it. But I'm going to scooch it over so the swatch isn't full of so many things. And then I'm going to put a color in it, and I'm just going to go with the shades of color. So I'm going to have my light purple at the top. And then I'm going to do the next one just a tad bit darker, because the word is going to be more intense. Then I'm going to go to my next one, and I'm hitting this little fill color button, and I'm going to make the next shade a little bit darker. And then finally, my last color block, I'm going to fill color, and that should be the darkest purple that I'm going to use. So now I've made my color blocks. Alrighty, I know that I want to use my original word, so I go up here and I insert the text box. So my word is, I believe I had used delight. All right, and you can play with the fonts and all that kind of stuff just depending on how much time you have, but you have your word. I'm gonna make it just a tad bit larger. Oh, maybe larger than that. And I want to center it, so I'm gonna come over here with the alignment and center it, and I have my word. Now on this side, I'm supposed to have the definition of it. So I'm going to insert my text box again. And then I come over here and I spell delight. And I see that delight is a verb. It could also be a noun. So I am just going to I'm going to use the verb, to please someone greatly. I'm going to copy that, Command C. Go back to my text box, click it, Command V. And then, of course, make it larger so that we can all see it from a distance, we hope. Maybe a little larger than 14. All right. So I have my definition, and I know that our definition is the denotation of the word. That means dictionary definition, denotation. We're also supposed to have a sentence, though. So I want to add a sentence using delight. So again, I'm going to insert a text box. I'm going to put it right here. And if need be, I can move, let's move the whole shebang here. Okay. Cranky thing. I'm on the dots. Move down. Oh, not that. Moving the wrong thing. I was going to move this whole thing. Let's see what happens. Alrighty. Now it's upsetting me because I can't make it. There we go. Alright, shrunk that down a little bit. Alrighty. So now I'm going to write my sentence. My students amazing work delights me. Pretty simple. So my students' amazing work delights me. And it means that, hey, my students' amazing work gives me great pleasure. It pleases me greatly. So now I need to think of a word that is synonymous with delight, but has a less intensity. So maybe it is just pleases me. So I would type in the word pleases. Another one that means a little bit more than delight. I might have the word bask. And I might have the word, no, bask seems greater than enjoy. And I enjoy it. It pleases me. I may have to use pleasing. I like that word better. And then bask. And then, of course, revel. All right, so I have my words each. And of course, you can, like I said, you can make the word larger so it takes up more space. You can see it more clearly. That would actually help me a lot. But anyway, so you have your color chart. And then, of course, on this side, you're supposed to insert that text box. And you're going to have your sentence using pleasing. And then right here, you're going to have a text box. And you're going to have your sentence using enjoy correctly. You need to use these correctly, grammatically correct. Sentences start with capitals, end with periods. So, except mine, I'm not writing sentences right there. And that would be your final product. So, of course, in order to turn it in, you are going to hit this share button over here. And I'm going to title it last name, because you put your last name. Last name, Shades of Meaning. Now I'm saving it. And then you're going to get the shareable link. Don't send it to me via email. We're going to put this on Canvas. Get the shareable link. Change it to Can Edit. Copy that link. Then you will go to Canvas.